Take your Cj7 all the way to 11. Jeepin' with Cool Guy.
So let's take out the tire jack. Start by taking out the wrench, pry bar, followed up closely by a wing nut right here. Now this would really suck if you were on a cold, windy night in the middle of winter. Had to unscrew that thing, right? That opens up this nice little latch. Out comes the jack. Nice and purty and rusted. Awesome. I wonder if this thing actually even works. Now let's take off the bracket itself. Guess what? 1/2-inch nuts. There you go. 4 little nuts, or 4 little bolts in your bracket. That's kind of a neat little piece. I'm gonna clean up nicely. You hear me say it a lot? Tag and bag. Get your bag, mark it, put all your bolts in there, because in a few months you're not gonna have any idea where these things went.